Hi friends, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners. If you are like my family, we are super busy right now. The kids are back in school for the last week and a half or so. We've started soccer practice and games starting this weekend. So our evenings are they're busy. So I like to have everything super planned out, and the meals have to be quick, easy, and delicious, of course. So here are our 5 weeknight dinners that we're having this week. Hope you love them as much as we do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Let's get cooking. So sheet pan meals are some of my favorites for quick, easy weeknight dinners. I have some frozen shrimp that's defrosted, and it is peeled but with the tails on. I have chicken apple sausage, our favorite, and I have zucchini and squash, another one of our favorite veggies. So I'm just sliced everything up, added onto my baking mat lined cookie sheet. I'm gonna add on some red onion as well. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I am gonna also add in some grape tomatoes, which I absolutely love roasted in the oven. They just turn out so good. I'm gonna spray with some olive oil. I love spraying olive oil on because it really coats it a lot better than if you just take it right from the bottle. So I love that little sprayer. I'm adding in some seasoning, some garlic salt, or some garlic powder, some seasoning salt as well. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and look how good it is. Such a quick dinner. I'm gonna do some street corn chicken, and this is so yummy. I have 2 chicken breasts that I fried so that they are a little bit thinner and some smaller pieces, and I am adding these into my baking dish. I am going to make kind of a corn mixture, and I'm going to use a can of corn. I'm going to drain this can of corn. You can use fresh corn, like cooked corn on the cob. You can use frozen corn. So I have half a cup of mayonnaise, and I have a teaspoon of chili powder. And this little corn mixture is delicious. I'm going to add it on top of the chicken. And then my oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. We love chicken, and this is just such a great way to mix up those flavors and make it super yummy. I'm going to use some queso fresco. It's just a crumbling kind of Mexican cheese that is really, really yummy, and it just goes perfect with this street corn. So I'm going to serve this with some rice and beans. And it is just a really, really awesome dinner and super easy to throw together and really quick as well. I'm going to do a Crockpot recipe. I have some frozen shrimp. It's just straight from the freezer frozen. I have a can of coconut milk. This is going to be a coconut lime shrimp. We've been loving shrimp lately. I have a tablespoon of minced garlic. I have 4 limes. I'm going to juice all 4 limes here into my crock pot with the shrimp and the coconut milk. So once all these limes are in here, I'm going to give it just a little bit of a stir. Super easy, dump and go. So shrimp cooks really quick, which I love. So this does not take very long, but it's really easy in the crock pot. So you can cook this on low for about 2 hours, or you can cook it on high for about 1 hour, and then you're ready to go. It is super yummy. I'm going to serve this with a side salad. You can serve it with pasta if you'd like. I'm going to do a ravioli and meatball bake. This is a huge hit in our house, and it's really quick and easy to put together, which I absolutely love. I'm putting a layer of sauce. I'm just using our favorite spaghetti sauce. Now I have a layer of frozen raviolis. You can use your favorite brand. And once this layer of raviolis is down nice and evenly, I'm going to add on our frozen meatballs. So super quick and easy. And like I said, this one's a huge hit. My kids love this one. So I make this one quite a bit. My oven is preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to add some more raviolis on top of these meatballs, another kind of thin layer. And then I'm going to add the rest of this spaghetti sauce on top. And like I said, just use your favorite spaghetti sauce. Try and coat each of those little raviolis if you can. I'm going to add about a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. I'm also going to add on some Parmesan cheese, and I'm just using just the grated Parmesan cheese in the canister. So add on some Parmesan cheese on top of that as well. I'm going to bake this in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes with the foil on, and look how awesome this turns out. And it is basically just dump and go. You just throw everything in this casserole dish, throw the foil on top, and you have an amazing dinner all done. So I'm just gonna serve this with a side salad, and you are all set. Super easy, quick dinner to throw together that the whole family loves. I'm going to make some shredded chicken in the crock pot. I make shredded chicken in the crock pot almost once a week. I love just having it on hand for lots of different recipes. But tonight I'm going to be making a chicken teriyaki rice and broccoli kind of bowl. So I'm adding in my favorite, this is Cow Camp seasoning. It's just local to us, but it's a garlic seasonal. So I'm going to cook this on low for 7 hours. You can cook it on high for about 3 hours if you'd like. So now that this is all done, it's been cooking, it smells amazing. It's just in all of its juices and so easy to make shredded chicken. That's why I said I literally make this about once a week and do lots of different recipes with shredded chicken. We even just snack on shredded chicken. My kids and my husband and I always have some in the fridge. And so if we're ever having a little hunger, we just grab a little bit of shredded chicken. Super easy and yummy. So added all this shredded chicken back into its juices, give it a little mix, and then this is going to be ready for our teriyaki chicken rice bowl. So I made some rice and I also steamed some broccoli as well. So this is super easy and really quick to throw together. So here's my rice, my broccoli, and then I'm going to add on my favorite. This katsu is a Japanese steak sauce. There's a couple different brands, but this is probably definitely my favorite brand. So good, such an easy dinner. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinner ideas. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Check out my other videos as well for more inspiration on some easy cooking. I hope you have a really great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.